Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find trending movies in your country on Netflix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in netflix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Netflix if you haven't already done that of course. And of course, you need to go and have their subscription. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home, TV shows, movies, new and popular, my list, and browse by languages. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find trending movies in your country on Netflix. So to find trending movies in your country, you need to go and follow these 3 easy steps. First of all, as I told you, open Netflix and log into your account. Then look for the top 10 section on Netflix homepage. You can go and click on new and popular and all of those, of course, things. As you can see, top 2 movies in today. So then this section is updated daily and shows the most popular movies, TV shows in your country. You can also explore different categories and genres to see trending content. Netflix often highlights trending movies and shows in various sections like popular Netflix or trending now. So in my country, you can now go and check out here. And of course, if you have, you'll always have it by your country. So top 10 shows, top 10 movies for today, etc. etc. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.